This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals Express course. I'm on Lesson 8, Loops with Rey and BB-8, Puzzle 6. Let's see what we're doing. Keep it up, BB-8. In this puzzle, 2 repeat loops will help you get BB-8 to all of the scrap metal with the fewest number of blocks. 2 repeat loops will help. Okay, so we need to use them twice. And notice right here we have 1 block on the screen, true, in the work area. And it's out of 6 blocks we can use. BB-8's here. Okay, oh, and we're only supposed to use move forward twice. Well, let me start by doing that, but I think I'll go off the screen, won't I? Isn't that over here? What? Oh. So I think I'll have to change this to 4. Good. All right, so then... Okay, and then I'm going to want to turn. Let's just double check. Yeah. So do I want to turn left? No, I want to turn right. And this looks like one we've already done. I think I want to go down 5 times, right? And once I turn right, forward, right? I'll go forward 5 times once I turn right. Let's test it out. So what should happen, I'm using 2 repeats, kind of fancy. I'll move forward 4 times, because 1, 2, 3, 4, it loops through that. Then it drops below it, I'll turn right, and then move forward 5 more times. Let's see. Looking good. Ta-da! We did it. Let's keep going.